This is a urgent crypto warning. I have to talk to y'all about crypto today. We're gonna dive in deep. We need to focus on where's the money going so we can understand how to position ourselves for this cycle that we're currently in. We saw a major bull market for Bitcoin starting in 2023. Bitcoin goes crazy. It hits a 70K. We see it go crazy in 24, and it went parabolic in 25 until it hit about 124,000. Now we're seeing it retrace. Currently, at the time of this video, Bitcoin is around $85,000. So congratulations if you've been holding and buying Bitcoin since like 2020, 2022, you are killing it. But right now we're not in that market. So in this urgent crypto warning, we got to talk about where the money is flowing. Okay, so I got a few screenshots I want to show y'all. If you don't know about this one, this website here is called FinViz, FINVIZ. This is a website I like to use for the stock market, and it lets me know where the money is going. It shows the best performances. So this page right here is called Groups. Now, if we go look at it, let's see if y'all can see this. Let me move out the way a little bit. If you go down to year to date, right? Year to date, that's from January 1st or whenever the market opened, January 3rd until now, until the time of this video, the 27th. So you got basic materials outperforming the market. And what is basic materials? Basic materials is what you see. It's the gold, it's the silver, it's the gold and silver miners and everything related to that. That's where the money is at, number one. And that's where the money has mostly been at even last year. But if we just go look at it year to date, okay, that's killing it. And then you go look at number two, we have energy. And then number three, consumer defensive, okay? Consumer defensive. That's things like Walmart. Those are the things that you really need. And then if we go look at the 1 year performance, basic materials again is on top. Then you have communication services. That is Google, okay? And then number three, technology. Now, if we go look at the 1 month performance, no, let's go look at the 3 month. We got basic materials in energy and healthcare. And then you go look at the 1 month performance, basic materials, energy and industrials. Why am I pointing this out? I'm pointing this out because the money is not in crypto right now. It's actually leaving crypto. The money is flowing into precious metals. And as I showed you here, basic materials and energy. Energy is getting the rest of the money. We've seen what happened in Venezuela, Trump taking Maduro, seizing the oil. That is energy, okay? Now, if we pull up this chart right here, okay, this is the Bitcoin versus gold price changes since 1792. We're focusing on the most recent, okay? Basically, I got it up from November of 2021 to now. You can see Bitcoin has been outperforming, up 1,200%. Amazing, amazing. But you see the top up there. That's the top. That's the 124,000. It goes down. Now, at this point, you see gold moving up. Macro, Bitcoin's killing it. Right now, not killing it. If we look at the Bitcoin versus gold price changes for the last year, you see gold takes off and silver is even higher than that. Bitcoin going down, okay? So technically, yeah, it's up 50% and this one's up over 100. And this is since July of 2024, roughly March. That's tariff. That's Liberation Day, okay? That's Liberation Day. Gold, precious metals is outperforming. I got for you here is the price chart for silver. This is the past year. So this is from January of 2025 to now. Silver is up 275%. Right now, silver is the number 2 asset in the world. It has passed up Nvidia. It has passed up Apple, Google, Bitcoin, all of them, okay? Money is clearly in silver. I don't think it's going to stop anytime soon because of the debasement trade, because of the way tariffs are working in the United States, because of the way money is flowing. Then we have gold. Gold up 87%, okay, from the last year, from January to this January. 87%. The money is in gold. Then we're looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is almost down 13% for the last year, down $12,000. Like I said, had a great run the last several years, but the money is not here. My XRP army people, the money is not in XRP right now. That's 37% down in the past year. You get a nice spike up there, but down 37% in that last year. If you had XRP years ago from 50 cent until now, you still got like a 4X or so. But we're talking about where's the money now? Is Ethereum down 5%. Ethereum is actually performing better than Bitcoin and Ethereum. So keep that in mind for my next video when I talk about some stuff. Wrap this up for y'all. What I'm saying is the money has flowed out of crypto. It has flowed into precious metals. So the best thing we can do as crypto investors and crypto enthusiasts is to continue to educate ourselves, continue to learn, and pay attention to the overall markets. Crypto is now officially tied into the stock market. It is tied into precious metals. It is tied in everything. The bag is in precious metals. The bag soon, I don't know when, but it could go back into Bitcoin. And if it flows into Bitcoin at some point in the next year or so, it will start to flow into altcoins. That's my message for today. Where is the money, y'all? That's what we have to ask ourselves. That's what this crypto urgent warning is about.